Okay. The other important parts of the user interface here, you have typical menus. Okay. The very key part of 3D Studio Max is this right panel. You have the create here on the plus sign, and you have the modify panel. So here on the create panel, you have this drop down menu to go into other create panels, okay, and as well as in the modify, if I have an object, in modify I have a drop down menu for all of those. So all of these options here, you have them as well here, okay, but the typical way to work in Max is to do everything with this panel. You not only create here standard primitives, you have curves and lights and cameras, but we will go over that again. Here on the left we have the outliner. That's not the name in Max, but for many of you the name is common. So I can turn off my objects, I can select them, I can select them all and freeze them. Another thing that we have new in Max, well, not new, but for a couple of years already, is the ribbon up here. By clicking here, I expand it. What the ribbon does is that it extends some of the functionalities that I have in maybe polymodeling or selection. And logically, this should be here on the right side, but these were added plugins or functionalities that couldn't be integrated within the interface. So now you have it here. Another thing in Mac, because some of you like to arrange your interface the way you like, you can move some panels. Here, if you observe this double parallel line, that would allow you to undock and dock back again, similar to Photoshop. Okay. Dock it back. But for example, here the right panel, you cannot really undock it, as well as the viewports. The viewports, I can move them, okay, as well as this one, I can move them, and actually the outliner, I can take it out if I want to, okay. What happens here with the right panel, I can extend it, okay. This is very useful if I add, for example, modifier, and I open all the options, so then I have to keep going down. But if I extend it, then I always have the options there. Originally, it comes with just one column, so I have to keep going down to look at everything. So if you have a larger screen, then it's better to have it all open.